Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to remove background using Photopea free method. Load the image, then go to the select, then go to the magic cut. It will take some time to load. So it is loaded now. Here there are three colors. Green means the foreground which you want to keep. This is for erasing something and this is the background. So you see, like by default they try to do something, some work, but we're going to make it better. And this one is the brush size. You can remove, increase or decrease the size of the brush. Okay, so let's zoom out. Okay, now select green and we're going to select the part that we want to keep. So I'm just going to do a silly job. Your task is to make sure that you do it properly. I'm just going to show you how to do it. So yeah, like when I put green, this appeared here. Okay, so let's include his head too, and also hand. See, it showed up. Now we have tons of background. Okay, we just have to select red and remove it. So let's try to make sure that you do not touch the red and green. This is where this comes. You just use the gray to select it. So let's do it again and then go to the red. Okay, now, like remove the background. See, tons of the stuff is gone. So the rest you have to, like reduce the size of the brush and do it by yourself. So this is how, like if you remove a little bit more, it's just gonna disappear. See, you just make sure that you do it properly. So this is how you remove background using Photopea magic selector. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.